Hello my dear friends, welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, we are continuing with lesson number 3, name is Indices and Cube Root. In this lesson we learn how to write index as a rational number. We saw cube and square as special indices, and cube root and square root are also special roots. Means index number 2 is called as square, index third index is called as cube. Because we are using it more, so such names are given. Instead of calling third index of 7, we'll say cube of 7. That's it. Clear, friends? And we are going to use it in future for units of area and volume. That is also one of the reason. Okay friends, now in this video we are going to see how to find out cube of a particular number. Okay, so before that let's revise how we have found square of a particular number. We know that 5 raised to 2 is called as 5 square, and square of 5 is nothing but 5 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 25. Students, here we can multiply this 5 to itself so many times, right? But we have multiplied only 2 times. Why? Because the index is 2. So whenever index is 2, we are multiplying 2 times. And that second index is called as square. Let us see one more example. 9 square is equal to 9 multiplied by 9, which is nothing but 9 9 is 81. We are multiplying 2 times because the index is 2. Now we are going to learn third index, cube. So how many times we will multiply? Naturally 3 times. 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 itself 3 times. Lot of students are doing the mistake, they are multiplying it 5 5s are. Here also few students were making mistake 5 2s are, but now means I am talking in general, not from our class. I am too much proud of you. I know how you are doing. Okay, we are together since 3 years. So 5 cube is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 3 times. First we will multiply these two numbers. 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 125. Finish? Understood? Suppose I have to find out cube of 9. So 9 cube is nothing but 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9 itself 3 times. So 9 9s are, first we will multiply 9 9s are, 9 9s are 81 multiplied by 9. Right? So 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72. 729 is cube of 9. Done? As simple as it is. We know friends, we learned last year that if square of 5 is equals to 25, then square root of 25 is equals to 5. We learned it last year. We found out square roots by factorization, and we worked a lot about square roots. So if square of 9 is equals to 81, then square root of 81 is equals to 9. It's so simple, like we can say if Dashrath is the father of Prabhu Ramchandra, we will say Ramchandra, Lord Ram is the son of Dashrath. Similarly, if 5 is the square of 5 is 25, then square root of 25 is 5. We are going to see same in this cube examples also. If cube of 5 is equals to 125, then we will see cube root of 125 is equals to 5. Clear? If cube of 9 is equals to 729, then cube root of, here we have to write third index. Cube root of 125 is equals to 5, and cube root of 729, for that we have to write its third index in the radicand sign, or as we have learned this year, we can write it as 729 raised to 1 upon 3. So same meaning of both is cube root of 729, which is equals to 9. Clear, friends? Okay. Last year we learned one more rule in the lesson indices that we are going to use here to find out cube of fractions. We learned that m upon n raised to a is equals to m raised to a upon n raised to a. Means if we have to find out 5 upon 2 raised to 7, we simplified it as 5 raised to 7 upon 2 raised to 7. I hope you are getting it. If we have to find out 2 upon 9 raised to 6, so its meaning is equals to 2 raised to 6 upon 9 raised to 6. Isn't it? So same formula we are going to use here to find out cube of a fraction. For example, if we have to find out cube of 3 upon 4, we have to find out cube of 3 upon 4. How we will find it out? Cube of 3 upon 4 means cube of 3 upon cube of 4. Am I right? Then cube of 3. What is the meaning of cube of 3? Means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 itself 3 times. Cube of 4 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 itself 3 times, and the answer will be 3 3s are 9. 9 multiplied by 3 upon 4 4s are 16 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 9 3s are 27. 16 4s are 64. Got it? How to find out cube of a fraction? To find out cube of a fraction, we have to find out cube of a numerator upon cube of a denominator separately. Let us see with one more example. Suppose how to find out cube of 8 upon, how I find it, cube of 8? Okay, 8 upon, I have to find out cube of 8 upon 7. So cube of 8 upon 7 is equals to cube of 8 upon cube of 7, which is equals to 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 itself 3 times upon 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 itself 3 times, which is equals to 8 8s are 64 multiplied by 8 upon 7 7s are 49 multiplied by 7, and ultimately which is equals to 8 4s are 32, 3 is the carry, 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51 upon 7 9s are 63, 6 is the carry, 7 4s are 28 plus 6 34. So 8 upon 7 cube is equals to 512 upon 343. 3 upon 4 cube is equals to 27 upon 64. Now few students will say, sir, is it necessary to write 1 2 3 all these 4 steps? I will say no. If your calculation is quick, you can reduce number of steps. Suppose you have to find out cube of 1 upon 2. So cube of 1 upon 2 means nothing but cube of 1 upon cube of 2 and cube of 1. Only this step is necessary, 1 cube upon 2 cube, which is equals to cube of 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Multiplied by 1, 1. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Finish. You can write in 3 steps also. In fact, if your calculation is too much quicker, you can write only in 2 steps also. Means directly you can write answer. Suppose you have to find out cube of 5 upon 9. Okay, cube of 5 upon 9. We have solved it there. If you know it, directly you can write 25 5s are 125 upon 9 9s are 81. 81 multiplied by 9. Let's multiply it inside. 9 7 29. Finish. You can write this part as rough calculation also. Okay friends. So I hope you have understood how to find out cube of a number and cube of a fraction. So your homework is write cube of numbers from 1 to 20 and learn by heart cube of numbers from 1 to 10.